With my spy picture.
I'm recording.
Happy birthday, Dustin. We love you.
We love you, Dustin, wherever you are. You know you don't love us back.
You're 5 years old and you won't say
Oh, and look,
say
the
hi.
amazing mom.
What did you just say about colors?
Dad's over there.
How you doing, little one? Oh, don't start being like me yet.
Amazing dad, turn around for I can get a picture of that shirt.
See her? I don't see her.
There you are, finally, the amazing dad. I wanted the front.
So amazing dad.
And there is the little girl that just needs to lose weight. She's so chubby. Any more weight, she's gonna blow away. And she's got 2 babies and she's still that tiny. Bye, you're blowing away.
His eyes are just big.
Oh, there's Mia. Oh no, we lost Mia. Hi Mia. Oh, the Frozen dress. Oh my gosh, you're so happy.
Grandma, are you getting a picture of her stitch?
Yes, I am. I got a video going of Mia and her Frozen dress. If I can get over here. Mia. Oh my gosh, Mia, you have your little Frozen dress. You look so cute. Oh my gosh, don't you look cute?
It's a big cake, too.
You know what?
The pink one's Kissy Missy.
Kissy
We
Missy.
gotta fix now because we got water all going everywhere.
Really? Oh my gosh, look at that. It comes the same
Well,
as the
you can go
cake.
downstairs. You ain't gotta worry about it. Or if you would have a basement like my house. Yeah. Did I tell you what I did probably about 2 months ago? I was actually my plumbing backed up, and I ran a snake from outside my house, ran it through the basement, through the pipes, and when it got to where it went down into the floor, it came out the side. Yeah. So I'm over there trying to feed the snake down. It starts with a punch. And then I went down
You
there.
don't do very good with snakes, do you?
No, I do not. No, I do not. Look at it. Well, babe.
I did figure out what local code on here, so. Hey, you sweeties. This is sweeties. You know. This is
Oh, hey,
sweeties.
we're done.
There's our favorite. How are you doing, baby?
Great,
This is like
I'm glad you're nice and healthy. And there is Mr. Jackson eating
I
with
just worry a
Angie.
little bit about getting sick.
Oh my gosh, he's doing good with the food, isn't he?
Huh? It sure is.
Boy, he likes to eat. There's Grandpa.
I'm sure you
There's
could hold this
Uncle.
by yourself.
You know, you nailed that one.
Okay, okay. Thank you.
I can't remember if it was I lived in a nicer area. Down the street it was like really bad neighborhood, that's where we lived. And it was either Nick or John, I can't remember, but they were missing. Like hours they were missing. And we were like freaking out. We thought we got kidnapped. And we're looking everywhere, screaming, like calling his name, walking out the street. Like we were crying, like we thought he really got kidnapped. We thought he was gone. He was passed out under the bunk bed. There was some other kid that lived there at that what's that called? Like housing for like moms or it was like a group.
Hi, Mia.
It was like families.
Daddy needs to pull you around the driveway, huh?
You guys want to go in a circle?
Hi, baby. Hi. Are you riding with Mia?
I'm the most scared I've ever been in my life.
Be careful. Don't fall. Oh, there he went. Did you have fun, Mia? Yeah, you love the wagon, don't you?
Thank Dustin.